everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I will tell you about updating currency exchange rates in a regular interval in Dataverse by connecting to a third-party web service, right? There are many web APIs available in the world that you can use to call using Power Automate and pull data from the third-party services and push in your Dataverse, right? Most of the times the currency exchange rates that are available in Dataverse table is outdated, right? Because the currency exchange rates are very frequently changing in the market, and it is very important to update these exchange rates against the currencies for a base currency. It is very important, right? Because whenever your users are dealing with local currencies, then it is very important to update correct exchange rate so that the base currency will have the correct value in the Dataverse, right? You see here in the euro currency, the exchange rate is old, right? Because it is not updated from the very beginning when we have taken the subscription. And if someone will take the currency using euro, then the exchange rates will calculate wrong because it is not updated. You can check 1 euro, 1 USD to euro. Let us see what is the current exchange rates. You see the exchange rate is 1.02, but here in Dataverse it is wrong, right? Incorrect. So this is very important to update this exchange rates in a certain interval time, every 1 hour or every 2 hours, so that the Dataverse tables which contains a currency field will calculate the exchange rates correctly. So how we can automate this, right? Before administrators manually update this thing by opening the record manually, changing the exchange rates. But now in these days we can automate through Power Automate, the flexible flow we can create. But before that we need a license or API key from a third-party service. There is a third party called as API layer, which is a website which provides so many APIs, web APIs that we can use. Okay, so I have taken subscription of this API layer, and this API layer gives this URL where it asking to pass the access key plus the target currency exchange rates plus the source currency. The source currency I am passing USD, and target currency I am extracting euro, GBP, CAD and PLN, and it is returning the exchange rates. You see, so 1 USD, the source USD equal to 1 euro. So this is the exchange rates against the US dollar, right? Now this recent value should be updated in my Dataverse. That is my requirement. So what I can do, I have created a Power Automate here. For now I have created manual trigger so that I can trigger it manually, but in real world you should take it as a scheduled flow, right, which will run every 1 hour or 2 hours according to your business need. Then I have taken a HTTP action where I have used get method and the complete URL I have used. Okay, you can use access key as a query, right? If you want to keep this query strings in a separate queries, then it is also fine, but I have kept the whole URL here, but normally you should keep it here. So you can copy and use it access key and copy that, use in the value, right? So this is the way you can do that. In the query currency you can put these are the target currencies, and the source currency you have to pass as a query as USD, for example, and format you should pass 1. So these are the query strings required by the URL API layer, which will give the currency exchange rates, right? So this is the complete URL and this is the queries. Now this HTTP request will get the exchange rates in JSON format, this format. So we have to convert the response using a parse JSON. I have used parse JSON and passing the body of the response from the previous step, and using generate from sample, I have just copied this and paste here the sample, and it will generate the JSON, the schema. Next, I am reading all the exchange rates and the currencies table to get all the currency records. Then using a apply to each loop, I am trying to add a switch case to identify what is the currency code. If currency code is euro, then update the exchange rates USD euro, because you see USD euro is the European currency exchange rates against US dollar, right? That's why I'm updating here. So accordingly, if it is GBP, then update the GBP one. Accordingly, you can keep adding multiple switch cases, right? Now let us run this, right? So click on test. I'm expecting the flow should run and fetch the currency rates and update in my table. Let me run the flow. This way it will give less headache to administrators, right? Now you see all steps are successfully run, and here also 18 currencies are there in my table, right? If you go here, you can check there are total 18 records are there, currencies, and we want to update only GBP and euro, right? Euro previously 0.9. let me refresh. Yeah, now it is updated 1.0. and also you can check the GBP. This is the GBP value, it is updated 0.8. you see 0.8, right? So this way you can automate this flow I have created to run on demand, but in general case you should take as a trigger, recurrence trigger, right? You can take it and you can try. If you have any question, you can let me know. Thanks guys, I hope it will help you to automate the exchange rates table update in a frequency through Power Automate without writing any single line of code. Thank you everyone, bye.